Hey guys, this is designer Pritham and welcome back to my channel PRITHS. So in this channel I'm covering the entire fashion designing things from the basic body, basic human croquis to direct ramp walk fashion show. So in this season I'm just covering the croquis development from the basic body, from block figure to stylized illustration pose, and now I'm covering the detailing. In my previous video I have covered the face, eyes, nose, hairstyles, all these things, and after that I have covered the hand structure, how to draw a hand detailing for fashion figure. And I have found one thing that some of you guys are struggling the legs, to draw a legs. So legs is a very important part for fashion figure. See, for every fashion figure we need to draw a 11 head croquis, and usually we have shown the 8 head, 9 head croquis. So that's why what's the difference between the 8 head croquis and the 11 head croquis? Why is this fashion figure always need the 11 head croquis? So here's the difference, that from the crotch portion to knee portion, the longest bone we have in human body. So that's why this longest bone define the height of a human bodies. And for fashion figure we always needed longer legs, so it's attract your croquis, it's attract your garment view. So that's why we require all these things. So for legs drawings, this is the simple portions. First I will show that a normal stylized illustration figure, and then I will share my experience why this crotch portion to feet portion is very important for a fashion figure. Okay, so let's do it. So first I need to draw a balance line, what I always do to draw any kind of figure like this, and then I'm doing the head. See, I have shown all these things in my previous video. You can just give a look to my playlist. I have shown you how to draw a simple straight block figure, then how to modify that block figure, then a simple croquis, straight croquis, how to draw. It's very simple way. Then I just did the modification of the croquis. See the legs I am talking about. See how long I am doing. See, this bone is the longest bone in our body, so that's why you can get the 11 head figure. And in fashion figure, it's definitely need 11 head to give an attractive look to your croquis and also your garments. So that's why we require these things. See, for croquis you don't need the detailing of these things, and whenever you complete your croquis, then you can just give a wear of a lehenga. You will get the beautiful fall of the lehenga because of these long legs. Or you can make wear of a little skirt, so you can just get a beautiful long legs, beautiful croquis. See, now I am showing a lower torso. As I said that from waist to feet it's called lower torso. When you need to draw a skirt or a bottom, then you just need to draw this type of lower torso. See, just few strokes I am doing this. It's very simple. You can do just with few practice you can just get the strokes. So you can just follow my all instruction in my channel, so you can easily do this. See how the heels I'm doing, it's completely visible, the feet and the heel, the gap portion. See, now I am doing a sitting pose. Many students ask how the sitting pose will draw, so that's why I'm just showing you the sitting pose. See, all these things you will get from the block figure I have shown. See, and the heel portion is very important. See, for fashion figure you always need to draw a stylish shoe or a heel shoe. It will give an attractive look to your garments, so especially in western garments, so that's why. See, the heel, the ankle, and I need to draw the belt of the heel shoe, little bit of stylish like this. See, I haven't done any detailing of the legs. Now if you want to see the detailing, then I'm showing you. If you need to draw the detailing of your feet, then how you can do. See, you just need to get the block of a feet as I shown in my previous video for hands. So it's also same. See, just block I am getting the 5 finger, then the outline of heel. See, my structure is complete like this, and the ankle bone like this, and then the nails. You can also do such work. It's very simple, you just need to practice a little bit. And if you want to ask anything, if you get in trouble to draw anything, then you can ask me anything in comment. I will definitely answer you. So see, that's it. I hope you understand. Hey guys, so I hope now you know how to draw a stylish fashion figure feet and the lower torso, these most important things. From the waist portion to feet portion, this is called the lower torso. If you need to draw a skirt or bottom portion pant, anything, you just need to draw that lower torso. So that's why it's really important. So I hope you like it. And if you like the way I'm presenting these all these things, so you can just like me to increase my motivation, and you can subscribe my channel to get me in first morning. So I hope you are all well, and it's time to bye. So bye, good night, good evening, good night, good morning, wherever you are in this video.